उडा उडा
उडा तो सांग गणेश
Yeah, so start. Bite in, sir.
Think bite.
Yours and along with yours, your birds also.
What to say?
The victory of the people of Sattari.
लोकांनी एवढा विश्वास दाखवलाय तुमच्यावरती पुन्हा एकदा
English.
नाही, आय फील मला तरी वाटतंय की लोकांचा जो विश्वास आहे तो विश्वासाचा कधी विश्वासघात होणार नाही. हे बीजेपी सरकाराने जे वारा तयार केला की प्रताप सिंग राणे निवडून येणार नाही आणि इतर काय वारे तयार केले होते हे तुम्ही रिझल्टच्या माध्यमातून सिद्ध झाले की किती मंत्री पडले. पण हांव एकूच सांगू सोदता and I would like to only say one thing: the faith and trust people of Sattari have reposed in us, we will never let them down.
Now, since you all are both the key figures as far as in the Congress party and all, as far as government formation is concerned, how would you say that?
It is best to leave it to the High Command. They will take appropriate decision in this regard.
Looking at the overall scenario, can Congress form the government?
Definitely Congress form. There are a lot of like-minded people who have got elected, including my friend Vijay who has got elected. Let the Congress party sit and for formulation of the government best left to the Congress party's leadership.
Have you all already approached or talked?
No, that's up to the High Command. Our leadership is in Goa. They will take care of what needs to be done.
So the Congress can take both MGP or go forward also.
So let them contact. They will contact. We have just got elected. We have not even gone out of the counting hall. Thank you.
शेतारी मतदारसंघामध्ये तुमचे काँग्रेसचे पण उमेदवार होते त्यांना काय तेवढं यश मिळू शकलं
नाही आता गोव्याच्या इतिहासमध्ये पहिल्यांदा मुख्यमंत्री पडतो इलेक्शनमध्ये. हे इलेक्शन ह्या तऱ्हेने झालेलं आहे की लोकांनी आपला राग व्यक्त केलेला आहे आणि मला तरी वाटतं की काँग्रेस हॅज मेड अ फॅन्टॅस्टिक कमबॅक आणि माझे वडील आता हे दिस इज 10th टाइम. सो आय थिंक द पीपल हॅव शोन व्हॉट दे वॉन्ट.
How do you see overall the survey scenario which was predicting BJP?
Yesterday I made a statement to Headline today that I totally am, I don't agree to any of their surveys and the Chief Minister is likely to go. And there was a silent vote. It's obvious the silent vote was against the BJP. It's towards anti-BJP forces, which includes Congress. It was towards the Congress in a very big way. It was towards Goa Forward. Aam Aadmi is on a zero. So I feel this is a anti-BJP vote in Goa.
That at a certain point, earlier point, like Harkaikar and moving to the other side has affected your party anyway?
Definitely, they should have stayed with us. What can I?
घडी बसवण्यात आता समजा काँग्रेसने आपला मुख्यमंत्री हे केला तर पुन्हा ती प्रशासनाची घडी बसवायला त्रास होणार ज्या पद्धतीने आता प्रशासन.
मला वाटतं की लोकांनी ऑलरेडी एक वेगळ्या तऱ्हेचा विश्वास व्यक्त करताना एक संदेश पाठवलेला आहे सगळ्या पॉलिटिकल पार्टीला की आम्हाला ग्रांटेड घेऊ नका. आम्हाला ट्रान्सपरन्सी पाहिजे, ऑनेस्टी पाहिजे. ऑनेस्टी दाखवून करप्शन चालू करू नका. अँड हे मला वाटतं मुख्यमंत्रीचे पराभव जो झाला विच इज अनफॉर्च्युनेट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन हिस्ट्री ऑफ गोवा ह्या माध्यमातून एकच दिसून येतं की no politician can take the people for granted. People of Goa have sent a clear message to every MLA individually